Hello everyone! The 2026 Toyota Hilux arrives with an attitude that instantly tells you this is not just a pickup. It's a symbol of durability, toughness, and global trust. As I walk up to the truck, the first thing that stands out is how Toyota has sharpened its iconic design. The front grille is bigger, more confident, and sculpted with aggressive lines that make the Hilux look ready for anything, from rocky mountain paths to daily highway cruising. The LED headlights, slimmer and more angular than before, give the truck a modern, high-tech personality, while the new DRL pattern wraps around the edges for a signature appearance even in daylight. Moving along the body, the muscular fenders and bold character lines emphasize strength, and the improved aerodynamics show Toyota's commitment to efficiency without losing ruggedness. Looking at the side profile, the 2026 Hilux blends practicality and style flawlessly. The extended wheelbase gives it a more stable stance, benefiting both ride comfort and load capability. Depending on the trim, you get robust all-terrain tires, alloy wheels with sporty designs, and reinforced side steps to make getting in and out easier. The bed has been redesigned with stronger tie-down points, improved bed lighting, and a more durable liner, making it ready for work demands and off-road adventures alike. At the back, the new LED taillights add a sophisticated touch, and the tailgate feels lighter but stronger with an optional assist mechanism that makes lifting and lowering effortless. Inside the 2026 Hilux, Toyota has stepped up the game with a cabin that feels more premium and tech-focused than ever before. Sliding into the driver's seat, you're greeted with a completely redesigned dashboard with high-quality materials, soft-touch panels, and metallic accents that elevate the feel. The updated infotainment screen, available in 10 to 12.3 inches, offers crisp graphics and quick response, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel gives detailed driving information in a modern layout, and depending on the model, you get customizable view modes. The seats are more supportive, with improved cushioning for long drives, and available leather upholstery and higher trims. The rear seating area has been improved with more legroom, better AC vents, and wireless charging ports, making it a family-friendly truck too. When it comes to performance, the Hilux continues to be the powerhouse people expect. Toyota offers multiple engine options globally, including the upgraded 2.8-liter turbo diesel that delivers strong torque for towing, hauling, and climbing. Some markets may also get the hybrid powertrain option, delivering fuel savings without compromising performance. Acceleration feels smoother than before thanks to optimized turbo delivery and refined transmission mapping. The 6-speed or 8-speed automatic gearbox, depending on the variant, shifts cleanly and predictably, giving you confidence whether you're merging onto a highway or crawling over rocky terrain. Off-road performance is where the Hilux truly shines, and the 2026 model takes it to new heights. Toyota has retuned the suspension for better stability, improved wheel articulation, and reduced vibrations on rough surfaces. With features like locking rear differential, hill descent control, multi-terrain driving modes, and a strengthened chassis, the Hilux feels unstoppable. The ground clearance has been slightly increased, allowing you to tackle deeper ruts, steeper inclines, and uneven landscapes with ease. Even on everyday roads, the improved suspension geometry makes the Hilux feel smoother and more refined, reducing the bounce that older pickup models were known for. Fuel efficiency has also been improved thanks to lighter materials, aerodynamic enhancements, and smarter engine calibration. The hybrid variant, if available in your region, offers impressive mileage while keeping emissions low. Toyota has focused on reducing cabin noise too, adding better insulation to cut down wind and road sound, making long journeys more relaxing. Safety remains a top priority in the 2026 Hilux. Equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense technology, the truck includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision prevention systems, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system. Parking sensors and enhanced visibility through larger mirrors help maneuver the truck easily even in tight spaces. Whether you're on a highway, navigating city traffic, or crossing a river in the wild, the Hilux keeps you protected with a robust safety structure and advanced driver assist systems. One of the strongest selling points of the Hilux has always been its reliability, and Toyota reinforces that legacy in the 2026 model. Every component feels engineered to last, from the reinforced frame to the improved braking system and water-resistant electrical components. This is why the Hilux is trusted by explorers, workers, families, and adventurers in some of the toughest environments in the world. The resale value has historically been excellent, and with the new upgrades, the 2026 Hilux promises to hold its value even longer. In daily use, the truck feels tough enough for work sites, yet comfortable enough for long road trips. The steering is light at low speeds, making parking easier, but firms up at higher speeds for better control. The upgraded climate control system cools the cabin quickly even in hot regions, and the new sound system, optional premium audio, makes the ride more enjoyable.